Wetlands are stunning landscapes teeming with life. From fish and amphibians to insects, reptiles, birds, and a variety of other wildlife, these ecosystems provide crucial habitat to them. Wetlands from where precipitation outweighs evaporation, resulting in a surplus of water that accumulates. In India, there are roughly one third of the land qualifies as wetlands. Ecologically, wetlands act as vital ecotones, zone of transition between open water and land. They possess a distinct structure and function, playing specific ecological roles. These productive areas deserve to be recognized as ecological treasure troves. The hydrology or water flow patterns of these landscape influences and alter the surrounding physical and chemical environment. This, in turn, shapes the biological communities that thrive there. Many researchers have emphasized the critical role of wetland around the world in maintaining the atmospheric carbon cycle. Here, this study documents the diversity of birds in the wetlands of Kenjar and surrounding areas, including a place called Manjalpade. The study area encompassed a wetland complex with diverse adjacent habitats. This includes paddy fields, freshwater marsh, ponds, backyards, plantations like coconut and aracanate, and vegetable fields. There is a presence of a dominant freshwater system where non-tidal and are characterized by grasses, sedges, and other emergent aquatic plants. Summer temperatures is recorded to be average at 35 degrees centigrade, while winters were milder at around 22 degrees centigrade. The region experiences both southwest and northeast monsoon. Overall, the climate is classified as tropical monsoon. We conducted regular bird surveys along established transits, traversing various habitat types within the study area. Bird observations occurred in the mornings from 6:30 to 9:30 am and in the evenings 4 to 6 pm. Data collection employed 15 minutes checklist where all birds observed within the 15-minute window were documented in a single checklist. The information recorded includes bird species, number of individuals, habitat type, and other relevant behavioral or habitat nodes, including breeding observations if encountered. Whenever possible, observations were complemented with photographs. Most data were recorded and uploaded to the online platform eBird. Relative abundance was further analyzed for specific ecological bird groups such as parasitic cuckoos, primary hole nesters, raptors. Finally, we categorized all bird species into different feeding guilds based on their dietary preference and foraging behavior. A bird survey at Kenjar wetland documented a total of 65 bird species. These included 24 winter migrants and 41 resident species. The highest bird numbers were recorded between February and March month, within the lowest seen in the month of June. Rock pigeons were the most abundant bird, followed by white-throated kingfisher, Indian pond heron, and spotted dove. The survey also revealed interesting ecological indicators. 3 near-threatened species were found, that is, the black-headed ibis, oriental darter, and woolly-necked stork. Among waterfowl, the lesser whistling duck is a resident, while others are migratory. The survey documented primary hole nesters like the white-cheeked barbet, coppersmith barbet, and black-drummed flameback. These birds create cavities that other species like parakeets, mynas, and starlings reuse, highlighting their keystone role in the ecosystem. The presence of parasitic cuckoo species and a healthy raptor population further indicates a thriving habitat. Additionally, the location also supports canopy and aquatic insectivores. Several studies identified many threats to the wetland ecosystem and the bird population it supports. Landscape alteration, particularly the conversion of adjacent areas into concrete structure and paddy fields into vegetable gardens, significantly reduced the number of wetland-dependent birds. And the local community also showed interest to value the beauty of the wetland and its avian visitors, while data on other fauna dependent on the wetland is lacking. Further research is needed to understand the broader ecological picture. Regular monitoring of the wetland biodiversity is crucial to track changes over time. Ultimately, the conservation of these wetlands and their surrounding areas will rely on the involvement and support of the local community. Thank you.